So here's option B, chapter 51. And I was so happy yesterday to complete 50% of the book. And I am now starting with 51, chapter 51. Option B. Let's see what this chapter brings us. And it's type of mysterious. Now playing as Ava. Well, Ava, now I can know her feelings 2 days ago, if they let me. High school definitely did not go as planned for me. As a freshman, I daydreamed about finding the perfect boyfriend, going to the same college as him, and living happily ever after. Looking back on it now, all I can do is laugh. Oh, young Ava, so much for that. But at least I had my future to look forward to, college campuses to visit. As I took in sights of my dream college, I expected to feel refreshed, amazed. This was my brand new adventure, future, where I could start all over, right? But in reality, I almost at the student union. Oh my god, you're touring! I can tell you everything you need to know, especially about Greek life. You should totally rush. You looked like you had the perfect fit for my sorority. And there it was. The box of the people kept showing me into. Popular, boy, crazy girl. Cheer captain, mean streak. I don't know if that's my thing. So what is? Photography, athletics, dance? The reality was I didn't know, but it felt closest to the truth. Well, sure, you could major in that, but what are you gonna really do with it? She laughed, and clearly I was supposed to laugh along. I gripped my pamphlet tighter. Was college just gonna be like high school all over again? Well, this has been really helpful. I think I'm gonna take a look around. Okay, student union is on the west side of campus, by the way. Sure, thanks. But after that, I wasn't sure I wanted to go on the tour at all. Was I really going to college because I wanted to? Or was it because everyone expected me to? And I was scared to explore my other options. As I turned to go, maybe back to my car, maybe all the way back to East Bridge, I saw a familiar face. Hey, Awa. Baila, are you touring too? Sure am. Are you here by yourself? I was supposed to come, but I told her not to. I didn't know why I was protecting her. Just the last thing I wanted was a repeat of Ice Out at the start of school. The truth was, Adi was too busy hanging out with Mason to give me the time of day. It wasn't new, but after the last few weeks, I had hoped things would be different. So here I felt bad because Adi didn't spell time for her, with her, and I will make sure I protect. Where were you headed? I was going to take the tour, but maybe we could check out the food court or the library. Maybe we should sit down or something. You seem a little stressed. That obvious, huh? She pointed to a shaded tree of the path, and we settled down on the grass beneath it together. Hey, maybe I'm overstepping here, but is something wrong? I'm wondering if it isn't right for me, but it needs to be. Viola gave me my hand to squeeze, and my heart flipped. What do you mean? It needs to be? I need to get out of East Bridge. There's just so much history here. I could start fresh, no reputation. Bail and I fell silent, watching college students rush to class. They looked just so put together, like they knew exactly who they were and where they were going. Does it have anything to do with Addy? My whole body froze. Suddenly, my hands clamped up, like I was standing before the crowd at my very first cheer recital. Sorry. Why would it have something to do with Addie? Because you are clearly crushing on her. Addie is taken twice over. Just a close friend. We have been besties for years. It's not like that. If you say so. So, are you only into girls or guys too? The answer ripped out of me before I could stop it. I just wanted anyone to know. Girls, just girls, and I'm never dating a man again. You're the first person I have told. Really? Why? I'm terrified of people knowing. What if they stop inviting me places? What if they don't want to see me anymore? I know his speech isn't exactly a progressive makeup, but I think you're underestimating how cool people will be. What do you mean? Well, I am gay, and I can tell. Baila is having a crush on me. She held her hand out and, a bit stunned, I high-fived her as she requested. Are you like out? Do people know? I have been I have been out since fifth grade. Had a huge crush on Marcy Willingham. Totally destroyed me when she moved that year. Everyone knew. I'm also just a terrible liar. Sometimes I think I'm too good of one, actually. How long have you been keeping this secret? Ever since I realized I was in love with my best friend. What happened? That night at the party with Daddy came rushing back into my mind. How I had felt when she walked through the door. It had been like dating Mason when she was the one I wanted. Oh my god. It was months ago, but I could tell you. I don't want to think about it. It's not worth rehashing, and it's a little personal. I get that. It's painful looking back at things that didn't work out. I just want to be with someone who drives me crazy, the way she does, but who feels the same way about me. You can be, but you got to stop pinning after Addie Price. Even I can see that girls all over the place. You deserve to be with someone who puts you first. For a moment, the opportunity was there. For the first time, I realized I had options. Baila, you are really a sweet person. You have a point. You're right. I promise I'll think about it. She was looking at me with such warmth and compassion. What if I reached out and took her hand? What if we kissed? But I couldn't do it. What if she rejected me? What if she told everyone before I was ready? What if I could still convince Ari to be with me? Well, these two boys are totally, lovable, and they both and these two guys are a tough nut to crack. I just don't want to, like date them or something. So if I will be given an option between these three, I will definitely choose Ava, and this is my decision because Mason and Nor are equally good and lovable, and I can't choose between them. This is my feelings as Addy. What do you guys think? Comment down and let me know. Bye. Hope you take care of yourself.